According to reports, Samsung is developing the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, a slimmer variant of the flagship model, to take on Chinese brands' thinner phones. Samsung won't accomplish this objective this year, according to a recent report. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim may be roughly 11mm thick, according to a recent report from the Alex, making it thinner. From the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung has eliminated the S Pen digitizer. In the absence of the digitizer, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim might have a thickness of around 11.5mm, since it measures 0.6mm on each side of the screen. Currently, Samsung is attempting to make it even thinner. Different models of Chinese foldable phones have a thickness of 910mm. It may be necessary for Samsung to make improvements if it hopes to make its foldable phones in the future as thin as conventional phones like the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The hinge and the batteries, for example. Unlike the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6, Chinese foldable phones lack the IP48 classification for dust and water protection. Samsung has to figure out a method to make their phones thinner without compromising durability, since they don't want to lose this durability grade for the sake of making them thinner. Larger screens, 6.5 inches for the cover screen and an 8-inch foldable screen, will be found on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim compared to the standard model. This slimmer foldable phone is expected to be produced in 500,000 to 600,000 units by Samsung. Given the greater popularity of foldable phones in China and South Korea, it may only be launched there. For its new foldable phones, Samsung predicts that the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will account for 60% of sales, down from 70%, and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will account for 40% of sales, up from 30%. However, the company does not anticipate the Galaxy Z Flip 6 or Galaxy Z Fold 6 to outsell the prior versions. A new rumor indicates that the Ultra, also known as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, may arrive sooner than anticipated. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim will be available in October with the Samsung Galaxy Tab 10 series, according to Ice Universe's post on WBO. The Samsung W25, said to be the Chinese counterpart of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, is also mentioned in the post. The gadget will feature an aspect ratio of 19.5 to 9, much as the Galaxy S24 Ultra, according to further information released by Ice Universe. This information was discovered in a Weibo post that was removed but was still accessible at home. This isn't the first time we've heard about a potential release date for the Z Fold 6 Slim. The Elect also says that the Z Fold 6 Slim will feature an 8-inch internal screen and a 6.5-inch exterior screen. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.